Welcome back to Maths Miss Buick. In these questions we're going to focus on factorising cubic expressions of both of these forms here. It's important to note that you must know these, that they're not in the log tables, and that if you don't know them it's very difficult to answer these questions because you won't know what the format is. So begin by looking at this negative one up here, and we've got a question very similar to that. Well, we've got cubics at both sides of the negative sign, as so does this, a cubic at both sides of the negative sign. So we begin by transforming this cubic, and we say what number when I cube it will give me 8, and we know that's 2, and it's 2x and we cube. We keep our negative sign. And again we say, what number when I cube it gives me 27, and it's 3, and we keep our letter the same. So there's our y. So anywhere now we see an x in the above equation, we replace that with 2x. And anywhere we see a y in the above equation, we replace that with 3y. So we fit into our question. Our x is 2x, so we have 2x, take away 3y in a bracket, like this, and our next bracket consists of x squared, so we put in 2x all to be squared, plus x by y, so it'll be 2x by 3y. Plus, to follow the plus sign here, and our y is 3y, and we square. Next of all, to simplify it, we leave our 2x, take away 3y alone, and we say what is 2x squared? Well, that would be 4x squared. 2 by 3 is 6, x by y is xy, and 3 squared is 9, y squared. And we're done. Now we're going to look at the second cubic example, and we can see this is a positive, but there is cubes at both sides. So again, we could transform it into what number when I cube it gives me 27, and we know that's 3. Our letter is a this time, and we cube it, plus this time, and we say what number when I cube it gives me 64, and it's a 4. And we've got the letter b this time, and we cube it. That should be a cube over here, not a square. Okay. So now we say everywhere we see an x, like above, we're going to replace that with 3a. And anywhere we see a y above, we replace with a 4b. So here's our example this time up here, and we're going to follow this. So we're starting off with x, which is 3a. So we have 3a. Next one, we've got a plus, and it's y, so we're going to put down 4b. Close our bracket. We've got x squared next, which is 3a to be squared. A negative sign by xy, which is 3a for the x, and the y is 4b. And then plus y squared, or y is 4b, so 4b all to be squared, and close the bracket. Now we're going to simplify it by leaving our 3a alone, plus 4b. And we say what is 3a squared? And that will be 9a squared, minus 3 by 4 is 12, ab, and then 4b squared is 16b squared. Close the bracket. So this is our video here on expanding cubic expressions of these formats. Please remember again that you have to know these, so NB here, they're not in the log tables.